Okay, a little bit of a marketing tip, you guys. What I did is I got on the Nextdoor Neighbor app because I've been getting all these jobs from off of Nextdoor, the Nextdoor app, and I have never used it, and I don't even know what it was. People kept telling me that they were getting me there and that I've got reviews and the stuff, and I had absolutely no clue. So I went ahead and got on there. Decided, you know what, this would be kind of cool to kind of gain some I guess, community relationship and rapport in the area. So what I did is I opened up my garage and I am doing no cost area rug cleaning and then in from people in my neighborhood, basically stopping by and dropping off the area rugs in exchange for reviews and recommendations on the Nextdoor area or the Nextdoor Neighbor app. My thought is that, hey, if you're going to be paying the Yelps and the YPs and the Facebooks and the Googles your money, why not just invest in your community and get local jobs? So that's the experiment that I'm working on right now.